Welcome to Tech for Seniors, where we make technology simple for everyone. Today, we're going to explore Google Maps, one of the easiest and most helpful tools on your smartphone. This app can help you find places, get directions, and even share your location with family or friends. It's perfect if you want to visit a new restaurant, find your doctor's office, or just explore your area without getting lost. Don't worry if you're new to it. I'll walk you through every step in an easy, simple way. Let's dive in. First, what is Google Maps and why should you use it? Google Maps is an application made by Google that helps you find your way from one place to another. It uses something called GPS, which is built into your phone, to figure out exactly where you are and how to get to where you want to go. And the best part? It's free, and it works on almost any smartphone, whether you have an Android or an iPhone. Now let's start by finding the app. If you have an Android phone, you probably already have Google Maps installed because it usually comes with the phone. Just look for an icon that looks like a small colorful map with a red location pin on it. On an iPhone, you may need to download it first. To do that, open your App Store, type Google Maps in the search bar, and download the app. Once it's installed, tap the icon to open it. When you open Google Maps for the first time, it might ask you for permission to access your location. Go ahead and allow it because this is how the app knows where you are and helps you find directions. Once you're in, you'll see a big map with a little blue dot. That's you. Wherever that blue dot is, that's your current location. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. This is where the magic happens. You can type the name of a place, like Walmart, Starbucks, or even your doctor's office. You can also type a full address if you know it, or just something general like Italian restaurant or pharmacy near me. After you type it, tap the search button and the map will show you a list of options along with pins on the map. Now let's pick one of those places. Tap on the name or the pin, and you'll see more details about it, like the address, phone number, website, and even pictures. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see reviews from other people who have been there. This is a great way to check if a place is worth visiting. Once you've chosen your destination, it's time to get directions. Tap the button that says Directions. The app will usually set your starting point as your current location automatically, but you can change it if you want. Maybe you want to plan a trip from your home, a friend's house, or somewhere else. Just type it in the starting point box. Then, look at the icons at the top. You'll see a little car, which means driving directions, a person walking for walking directions, a bus for public transportation, and sometimes even a bicycle icon. Tap the one that fits your plan. Once you've chosen your route, tap the blue button that says Start. Now your navigation begins. Google Maps will guide you step by step. You'll hear a friendly voice say things like, in 500 feet, turn left, or continue straight for 2 miles. If you miss a turn, don't worry, the app will automatically recalculate and find a new route for you. If you're using walking directions, it works a little differently. You'll see arrows on the screen showing you where to go. Some phones even let you use live view, where the camera shows the street and puts big arrows on it to point you in the right direction. That can be really helpful if you're not sure which way to start walking. Now let's talk about a really useful feature, traffic information. When you look at the map, you might see green, yellow, or red lines along the roads. Green means traffic is clear, yellow means a little busy, and red means heavy traffic. If you're planning to drive, this can save you a lot of time. Another great feature is finding nearby places. Let's say you're out running errands and you need a coffee break. Just tap the little search bar and you'll see suggestions like restaurants, gas stations, coffee, and more. Tap coffee, and the map will instantly show you all the coffee shops near your current location. You can even filter by distance, ratings, or whether they're open right now. What about sharing your location? This is something many people don't know about, but it's so helpful, especially for safety or letting family know where you are. To share your location, tap on your profile picture or initials at the top right of the screen. Then tap Location Sharing. Choose who you want to share with from your contacts and for how long, maybe 1 hour or until you turn it off. The person you share with will see your live location on their map. This is great if someone is picking you up or if you want your loved ones to know you're safe. Now, here's a bonus tip: offline maps. What happens if you're going somewhere and you're worried you won't have an internet connection? Google Maps lets you download maps so you can use them offline. Here's how. Search for the place or area you want, tap its name at the bottom, then look for the option that says download. Once downloaded, you can get directions even without the internet. Just remember, the offline version won't show traffic updates, but everything else works. Let's also talk about setting your home and work addresses. This makes getting directions even faster. Tap your profile picture, then tap Settings, and look for Your Places. Here you can add your home and work addresses. After you set them, you can just type home or work in the search bar, and Google Maps will take you there. Before we finish, let me give you a few safety tips. Always keep your phone charged before a trip because navigation uses a lot of battery. If you're driving, use a phone holder so you can see directions without holding the phone in your hand. And if you ever feel lost or unsure, stop in a safe place and check the map rather than trying to figure it out while moving. And that's it. You now know how to use Google Maps to find places, get directions, share your location, and even use it offline. This app is truly a game changer for staying independent and connected. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so you never miss another easy tech tip for seniors. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.